Today guys, I show you how to download and install Crosshair v2. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. First you need to do, just open your Epic Games launcher like me and move here to search and type like me Crosshair v2. Just click on it and go here get. After that, you will see in library, click on it and just click on install and go here install. Go here yes and wait for installing process. When you install Crosshair v2 like me, just go here launch and you will see this like me. As you can see, you can here hide and show menu on F2, exit Crosshair on F3, on F4 settings. Also you can change color and size. After you set this all, you can use Crosshair v2 in Fortnite, CS2 and all other games. If you need one more guide how to set this up like color or size, just type me in comments, I will make a new video. As you can see, my Crosshair works, it's here. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and use Crosshair v2 fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.